Okay, the city of Harare is resolved to lease Kwanzaa Stadium to Cape United, and from our agreement, Cape United will be able to use Kwanzaa Stadium like next season, 2026. They've assured us that they will start renovations and upgrading of the stadium to PSL standards as soon as possible. So we should expect machines on the ground to start working on the stadium. And we are excited that the president of Cape United, Honorable Farah Ijere, he has assured us that he will make sure the stadium will be ready for 2026. So it's a 25-year lease. And this is good news because, DZ Stadium, we have leased it to a rent house, and they've also assured that 2026 the stadium will be ready. So, and we expect, we gave the Mavuku Stadium to be completed also next year. So it's good times for Zimbabwean football and for football in Harare.